Aadhan Food and Travel. I'm Shalini. I'm here today at this cool place called Guilt Trip in Film Nagar. I've heard quite a buzz about this place from a lot of friends, especially about their custom made cakes. These guys are very well known for their cakes, and their desserts are said to be exemplary. Let's go see. Wow, look at their pizza. It's served on a wooden pan. Wow, it smells so delicious. I can't wait to begin. Wow, the blend of cheese and the vegetables and the Italian herbs is so good. It tastes very authentic. I love the pizza here, you guys. You should come taste it. So this is their chicken lasagna. I love how it's served on a bed of red sauce and drizzled with olive oil on all sides. And I don't know what these things are, but it's very artistic to look at. Let's dig in and see how it tastes. Ooh, wow, that is creamy and soft. It smells amazing. Oh, good Lord, this is indeed a guilty pleasure. This is so soft and so nice. Cheesy as hell. Oh wow. So this is their bestseller, the caramel cheesecake, where there's a layer of caramel and they heat it before they serve it to you. Caramel has such a toffee-like flavor. God, it is amazing. I love it. I freaking love it. So that was Guilt Trip, you guys. My trip to this place has seriously been a guilty pleasure. Do come and check this place out for yourselves. Until then, see you in the next one.